This lecture I will show you how you can create a walls with the help of DXF file, because if there's some sort of outline you are getting, then it will be easy for you to easily create the wall. So for that, let's see how we can import the file. So what I will do is I will just simply go and click on new. After clicking on that, I will choose this template as default metric, and then I will hit OK, because obviously I know that my plan will be in metric, so I am going with this default metric. Okay, and then I will just simply hit OK. After clicking on that, what you have to do is you have to insert that DXF file here. So for that, what you can do is you can just simply go to insert, and then after that you can just simply click on import CAD. So basically we are going to import the CAD option, so you need to make sure that you are choosing the correct format. You can see that this one is correct CAD format. So basically this is our DXF file, so that's why I'm choosing DXF file. You can see that this is our DXF file. You can just simply zoom in. Okay, you can see that this one is our DXF file. You can select that, and you can see all these things color is preserved, so there will be no any change. You can just simply go ahead with black and white as well. You can just make this one inverts, that's totally depend on you. So import unit will be auto detect. You can see that this one set is auto detect, and after that the position is to the origin. You can see origin to internal origin placed at level 1. So basically this will be at level 1, and you can just simply go ahead and choose that at which level you want to create. Okay, so basically you can just simply go ahead and click on this level 1, or what you can do is first of all you can just simply set your level. Okay, so if you go to any of the elevation, let's go to any of the elevation, you can see that this one is level 1, this one is level 2. Okay, so let's see that how we can do this. So for that, first of all, this is our level 1, so I will just simply click on this box and I will rename this one. So I will call this one as level 1 ground. Okay, so this will be at the ground level. Okay, and then we have level 2. I will call this one as level 2 ground floor. Okay, yes, let's simply click on yes. Okay, I will call this one as level 2 ground floor. Yes. Okay, so as you can see here, I will set this one at 900, and then after that I will create another level. So you can do that one by just simply type ll from your keyboard. So let's simply type ll. Okay, and then from here you can just simply use this option, and I will set the offset at 3600, and then after that I will just simply click above this. So you can see that now we are getting this height of 4500 from this ground level, you can see. Okay, so now that we have done this thing, what you can do is you can just rename this one as well. So this will be a first floor level 3. So as you can see here that now that we are done with this levels, okay, so now we can just simply place our drawing. Okay, so do that, what you can do is let's see how you can do that. So now that we are done with this, let me just press escape to get out of this command. So for that, again you have to go to import CAD file. Okay, and then you can just simply choose that file. Make sure that this one is dfx and dxf, and then after this, you can see all of these things, and all you need is just to simply click on open. But you can see that this one will get placed at ground. Okay, so but I would just want to place that one at the ground floor. So basically you're not getting option for that. Let's see, you can see that at ground floor. So basically we have opened that one, so let's simply go to ground floor. Okay, and then just I will just simply close this one here from here, and then after that I will just simply go and import CAD. Let's simply click on that. So now we are getting this one that is placed at level 2 ground, you can see. that now we are getting this option level 2 ground floor. After that, all you need is just to simply hit OK, and then this will get open at the level 2 ground floor. You can see how easy that was to import the CAD file in Revit. So in the next lecture, we will see how we can create a wall with the help of these lines in Revit quickly. Okay, so this is the end of this lecture.